Another day, another investment property. This one looks really nice. Get us in here, Chloe. All right. No appliances. Does it come with the piano?
Seems like they were Airbnb-ing this.
Yeah, a little gapping here on the floor. Door to the basement, no power. That's
this little spot here filled in with the spray foam. I guess it would be behind the laundry.
Tiny closet. Really tiny closet. No power.
Look at the bathtub!
Really tiny bathtub.
It's extra short.
Why would they do that? I guess just so they could have
I guess.
the mechanics.
Take showers.
Let's see, they should have put a tub access. No, there's no access for maintenance, so I don't know why they made it so short like that. Okay. There should be, and then there's another full bathroom. This is the shower.
This is the master.
This is the master. With a slightly bigger walk-in closet. Does the old people's house feel bigger?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess it's not as long though.
I mean, aside, minus, I guess, the basement. Having the basement. Yeah, this part right here, so. I mean, this area is obviously bigger than, like, really any area they have in their house.
That's fair. I like that it's rent ready. Minus this like quick clean. Let's head into the basement. This guy is going for $210,000. The ceilings are pretty low down here.
Oh, Jesus. Take the whole stairwell out.
So just take the whole stairwell. No moisture.
Ceilings are a little low.
Yeah, I agree. If we had a 6-foot tall tenant, they would not like it down here.
Short people only.
Blessings, short people. Okay. I mean, kind of reaffirms my desire to only offer 185. Basement's really short. Like, this must be 6 foot, the distance between my head and the hand. This is like eye level.
Some areas would have to be just for like storage, like over here under these pipes.
It's true. Yeah, it's short. Watch your head when you come up. They did a really good job on it, I think. I mean, it's just carpeted. No floors throughout. They didn't spend the most money.
Yeah.
So on that last house, we ended up offering $180,000. Mostly because that basement has a really low spacing, maybe 6.5 to 7 feet. And honestly, it's gonna still take appliances, updates, and for our exit plan, it's gonna be just kind of close. They couldn't sell it at $289 on market, and we don't want to end up stuck with something that makes no sense for us. So, catch you guys at the next property.